Now see, chapter number 15, all the sums on textbook exercise we have completed. Now we are doing some extra sums, chapter number 15. Now see, first sum we are doing is, a tire manufacturing company kept a record of the distance covered before tire to be replaced. Following table shows the result of 1000 cases. Right? A tire manufacturing company. Okay? Kept a record of the distance covered before tire is replaced. Following table shows the result of 1000 cases. The result of 1000 cases. See, here you are given distance in kilometer, and number of tires. Okay? Distance less than 400. Less than 400 कवर किया, कितने टायर ने लेस देन 400 डिस्टेंस कवर किया है? 210 आउट ऑफ 1000. 400 to 900. Number of tires are 325. Then 900 to 1400. This much distance covered by 385 tires. And last is more than 400. More than 1400. Number of tires are only 80. So altogether, if you count all the tires, 210 plus 325 plus 385 plus 80, it is going to become 1000. If you buy a tire, at random, okay? Of this company, what is the probability that, question number 1, it will need to be replaced, it will need to be replaced before it has covered 400 kilometer, okay? Before it has covered 400 kilometer. Right? Second question is, it will last more than 900 kilometers. It will last more than 900 kilometers. Clear? Third question is, it will need to be replaced after it has covered somewhere between 400 kilometer and somewhere between 400 kilometer and 1400 kilometer. Fourth question is, it will not need to be replaced at all. It will not need to be replaced. Need to be replaced at all. उसको बदलना ही नहीं पड़ेगा. And fifth question is, it will need to be replaced. Need to be replaced. अब देखो, पहले क्वेश्चन की इवेंट को हम क्या बोलेंगे? ए. क्या नाम देंगे? सपोज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इवेंट वेयर इट विल नीड टू बी रिप्लेस बिफोर it has covered 400 kilometer. I call it as event A. Let A is this event. Then the second question को हम देते हैं event B. It will last more than 900 kilometer. We call it as event B. Then this 400 to 1400, it should be given name as event C. And fourth question को I call it as event D. And fifth question को I call it as event E. Okay, I have given name A, B, C, D, E. Now see how we get the solution. Total number of tires are tires is equal to 100,000, right? Now, number of tires that need to be replaced before it, before it has covered 400 kilometer. So, A के लिए PA is what? A is event where it should be replaced before it has covered 400 kilometer. Before it has covered 400 kilometer, so उसमें you are given number of tires are 210. So what is my PA is 210 upon 1000. So it is 0.21. Clear? Now B. For PB. B क्या है? It is a event where tire need to be replaced if it cover more than 900 kilometer. More than 900 kilometer मतलब 385, 400 to 900 नहीं 385 more than सेकंड में क्या है? more than 900. more than 900 मतलब 900 to 1400 and more than 1400. So 900 to 1400 is 385 plus more than 400 is 1400 is 80. So it is PB के लिए 385 plus 80 upon 1000. So it is coming 465 upon 1000. समझ में आ रहा है? So it is 0.465. Clear? Now, number of favorable outcomes to event C. Number of favorable outcomes to event C. To event C. Event C मतलब where distance covered is between 400 to 1400 मतलब सब आ गए. Only लेस देन 400 वाले निकाल देंगे हम। लेस देन 400 वाले कितने हैं? 210, राइट? नहीं, the number of tires which required replace after covering distance between 400 to 1400। देखो तो टेबल में 400 to 1400 में कितने आए? देखो मोर देन 1400 निकल जाएंगे ना। 400 to 900 325 plus 385। So number of favorable outcomes are 325 plus 385, so it is 710। टेबल में देखो तो PC will be what? 710 upon 1000, एक जीरो गया, so it is 0.71। Now number of outcomes favorable to event D। event D मतलब do not need to be replaced at all। So number of favorable outcomes, to event D are need not be replaced, मतलब ऐसा तो एक भी टायर नहीं है। क्लियर? So favorable outcomes to event D are 0। So what is my PD? PD is 0 because D is an impossible event। ऐसा है ही नहीं कि टायर बदलना ना पड़े, बराबर ने। And what is E? Number of outcomes favorable to event E। favorable to event E। event E मतलब tires will we have considered to be replaced। all tires are to be replaced, right? Not a single tire is left without replacement। okay, so P of E will be 1000 by 1000, so it is 1 because E is a sure event or certain events। okay, सर्टेन इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 होती है, इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट की प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 होती है। आर यू क्लियर? नाउ वी आर डूइंग सम फिल इन द ब्लैंक। फर्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक इज इन अ फुटबॉल मैच। इन अ फुटबॉल मैच Ram makes 4 goals। Ram makes 4 goals from 10 penalty kicks। The probability of converting a penalty kick into a goal by Ram is dash। Tell me, what is the answer? 4 by 10। Answer is 4 by 10 and that is 2 by 5 because 10 पेनल्टी किक में से वो 4 गोल बनाता है, तो 4 penalty kicks are converted into goal out of 10. So it is 4 by 10. Second question. The probability of getting a prime number is the probability of getting a prime number for the following table. A dice is rolled 600 times. Table is based on where dice is rolled times. And table is given like this: outcomes and frequency. Outcomes are given. Outcomes we know there are 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 कितने डाइस में आता है? 1 200 डाइस में. 2 occurs in 30 dice. 3 occur in 120 dice. 4 occur in 100 dice. 5 occur in 50 dice. And 6 occur in 10 dice. 600 हो गया कि नहीं? देखो 230, 350, 450. देखो it is 100 not 10. 6 occur 100 dice. So 600 हो गया. Now you are asked to find out the number of prime numbers occur. Number of times prime number occur. Prime numbers are 2 and 2, 3 and 5. 1, 4 and 6 are not prime numbers. So what is the probability? Probability of prime numbers. Probability of prime numbers are 2 occur how many times? 30 times. Right? 3 occur how many times? 120 times. And 5 occur 50 times. So favorable outcomes are 200. Divide by 600 times a dice. So probability of prime numbers are, what is it? 200 by 600. So my answer is 1 by 3. Okay? How to calculate? Are you clear? Now third fill in the blank. This fill in the blank can be asked as a question also. Okay? I have given in form of fill in the blank. They can ask you as a question also. Do it directed. The probability of an impossible event. The probability, अभी सिखाया मैंने. Probability of an impossible event is dash. What is the answer? 0. Clear? Fourth question is like this. Two coins are tossed once. Two coins are tossed once. How many outcomes will be there? 4. 2 into 2, 4. H, 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 T, T, H and T, T. The probability of getting at most one head. At most one head मतलब one head or no head. Okay? इज डैश। अब देखो एटमॉस वन हेड मतलब वन हेड और नो एच। सो वन हेड वाले एच टी एंड टी एच फेवरेबल केस एंड नो हेड वाले टी टी। सो नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स फेवरेबल टू दिस इवेंट्स आर 3. Clear? Number of outcomes favorable to event is 3 and total number of outcomes are 4. Therefore, what is the probability of this event? Probability of getting at most one heads is 3 by 4. Okay, it is a sum. Very good sum. Now fifth question is, which of the following cannot be the probability of an event? You are given some probability and you have to decide which one is not possible. See, probability is always between 0 to 1. So my C answer is C. That is 5 by 3 cannot be the probability of any event because it is greater than 1. And probability cannot be greater than 1. It should be always between 0 to 1. That we have learned. 6 is a bag contain $50 coins and each coin is marked number from 51 to 100. Okay, one coin is selected at random. One coin is picked up at random. बिना देखे at random मतलब no bias, ऐसे ही ले लो. The probability that the number on the coin is not a prime number. Number is not a prime number. Huh? So probability of not a prime. So between 51 to from 51 to 100 जो प्राइम नंबर है उसको निकाल दो. How many are prime numbers? काउंट करो तो देखो 53 is a prime number, right? काउंट करो 57 नहीं, 59 is a prime number, 61 is a prime number, 67 is a prime number. Then 69 is not a prime number, 71 is a prime number, 73 is a prime number, 77, 79, no, 79 is a prime number, 81, 83, 83 is a prime number. 87, 89, 87, ये सब मैं लिखती हूँ, उसमें देखो आप कितने प्राइम है, तो हो गए 91, 93, 95, 97. 97 is a prime number. देखो टोटल गिनो, आपके 10 प्राइम नंबर होने चाहिए. देखो 53 इज अ प्राइम, यस. 59, यस 59 कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 61 कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 67 कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 71 कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 73 कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 79, कोई टेबल में नहीं आता है. 83, नहीं आता है. 87, नहीं आता है. 89, कितने हुए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. फिर 93, 95, 97, 99 भी नहीं. तो गिनो 10 हुए ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are the prime numbers. So probability of not prime is 50 minus 10 upon 50. So it is 40 by 50. So it is 4 by 5. Clear? इसमें से एक मुझे लगता है प्राइम नहीं है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now see 7 sum is a coin is tossed 1000 times. A coin is tossed 1000 times. Clear? A coin is tossed 1000 times. Okay. If the probability of getting a tail, if a probability of getting a tail is 3 by 8, how many times head is obtained? Very good question. Now see, probability of getting heads when coin is tossed, either head occur or tail occur. So probability of getting tail is 3 by 8. So probability of getting head is 1 minus 3 by 8. So 5 by 8. Clear? Now this 5 by 8 should be multiplied with 1000. 8 125 ja. So it is 625. So my head is obtained how many times? How many times head is obtained? Answer is 625 times. Head occur out of 1000 625 times. And last question is the probability of certain event. अभी सिखाया. Probability of certain events is dash is 1. Okay. Probability of certain event is dash. So these are the extra sums I have given to you. From probability you can do many more. ये तो एक सैंपल दे दिया आपको, इस तरह से पूछ सकते हैं एग्जाम में. ओके, यू कैन रिफर ऑल इलस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक ऑल्सो. ओके.